of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling down to click on security and privacy. Now you need to click on device unlock over here and tap on fingerprint and face unlock under screen lock. Finally, select face option on the left and enter your current login method. If you don't have any, you need to set it up in order to set up face unlock. Then hit add now, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, hit done. Then adjust all of those options however you want to. Make sure though that this switcher next to screen unlock is blue for your face unlock to work on your device. So now when I grab my phone, turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!